All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, getting the one credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. It's up about 10% right now. A lot of good stuff going on with Dogelon. A new listing on LAToken. So Dogelon Mars has got another listing. More listings means more people are going to get the coin. All kinds of good stuff going on with that. Also on the Twitter account, they're asking for what we can name a steakhouse on Mars. What would be a good appropriate name? Kind of cool information for Dogelon. Trying to name a steakhouse. We're going to also dip into the sandbox. There's real estate being sold for $4 million and millions of dollars on virtual real estate. So I know the real estate market has been up, the real real estate where you live, but now the virtual real estate is also going bonkers. Kind of crazy in the news. We're going to go over that. And last but not least, we're going to talk about Odell Beckham playing for the Rams, taking his salary in Bitcoin. And he's also going to give out $1 million in Bitcoin to fans and stuff that follow him on Twitter. So Dogelon Mars, all kinds of good stuff today. Buckle up in your seatbelts because this is going to be an episode you're not going to want to miss. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help every single person know about cryptocurrency, understand what's going on with it, maybe one day even own some cryptocurrency and buy it yourself. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at Coin Market, Dogelon Mars is ranked 114th right now. It's the 114th cryptocurrency on the planet. There's over 11% increase in the last 7 days, so we got about 11% uptick. In the last 24 hours, we're up over 5%, 5.83%. Let's go ahead and click it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1678. This token is up 2.59% in the last 24 hours. Take a look in the last 7 days. It was down here in the valley, kind of going down, and now this is on an uptick right now. So Dogelon Mars is on the up, which is fantastic. One of the best things about the Dogelon Mars right now is let's take a look at its new website. So right here on dogelonmars.com, we have a complete facelift of the website. So we got Dogelon Mars right here. We got Mars in the background. We got crypto.com you can click. Uniswap you can click. OKEX you can click. And KuCoins you can click. It says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me and together we will reach the stars. So complete new facelift on the Dogelon. Talks about joining the community. There's over 300,000 subscribers on the Twitter account. So make sure you go to Twitter and you subscribe. Over here on Telegram, they got 84,000 subscribers. I am Dogelon Mars. Come join me on our community. You can go ahead and get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack. Go ahead and download it right here, which is fantastic. And then here's something that's really neat. Those Cosmic Saga Begins. So you can kind of check everything out here. So we got Sophie here. Sophie decided she wanted to make an appearance on the Dogelon Mars scene. So Sophie, how are we doing today? You know, we're filming right now. We're talking about Dogelon. Oh, boy. So here we go. We got some cartoons going on. You got the mission to Mars, Dogelon, #1. It still talks about in the year 2420, Mars had a successful recon, all kinds of good stuff. Then you can kind of at the bottom, you hit the next thing and you go to Mars, Dogelon Mars Scene 2. You can kind of click it and go to Scene 3 and kind of go through. I don't want to spoil it because they got some good things here, but all kinds of good things here on the new facelift website. It talks about the coin right here being ranked 114th, market cap at 921 million, a volume of 60.66 million. This is kind of interesting. It tells you exactly how to get Dogelon Mars. A lot of times people are like, how do you get this coin? How do you get that coin? So guess what? Right on its website, it's going to make it super easy for you. So let's take a look. #1, create a MetaMask wallet. Create a MetaMask wallet using either a desktop computer or an Android mobile device, ISO, that will allow you to buy, sell, send, and receive ELON. Okay, so you can do this from a desktop or a phone. Then second thing, #2, send the ETH to your wallet. You can buy Ethereum directly on MetaMask, or you can transfer the Ethereum to the MetaMask wallet to exchanges on like Coinbase or Binance. #3, you connect your wallet. Access your wallet by clicking the Connect to Wallet and then select MetaMask. #4, Swap ETH for Elon. You can start swapping as soon as you have ETH available. Press to select the token, either the token address or search for it on the token list. So the pretty simple, quick start to how you can get Dogelon Mars token, Elon. At the bottom here it says the community, the comics, get started. So pretty neat. Dogelon Mars has got a completely new website. I mean, again, a week or two ago when we were talking about it, we were on a different, I mean, it's the same, www. But the actual website, they've got a complete facelift. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about the new website? Dogelon Mars being up 10%. We're going to give us our price prediction a little bit later down in the video. Fantastic news going on. All right, so we're over here at the Dogelon Twitter account. And guess what? There's all kinds of good things going on. All kinds of stuff from naming steakhouses. But look at this. There's a new listing in town. That's right, LAToken, new listing. So right here, you can basically get your Dogelon Mars right here on LAToken, on LAToken Exchange. Another fantastic place where you can get your Dogelon Mars. Couple statistics here. Dogelon runs on an Ethereum network and is named after the Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Elon is dubbed as the October winner for soaring nearly 4,000% in the month of October. So Dogelon Mars went up over 4,000% in the month of October. Fantastic, everybody. And learn more and start trading right here on golatoken.com/Elon. So you can go right over here. You can go right over here to LAToken and you would go ahead and basically purchase your Elon right over here. Dogelon Mars, here it is. Elon overview. Says the projected information will be available a bit later. Social feed. So at least it has the charts here. So all kinds of good stuff. Another platform, LAToken. You can get your Dogelon Mars right over here, everybody. And I thought this was kind of cool a few hours ago. All this staking business makes me hungry. So, staking your coins, you can make money and passive income, which is fantastic. People like that. What would be a good name for a steakhouse on Mars? So Dogelon Mars, they want to go out to eat, and they're trying to figure out what we can name a steakhouse on Dogelon Mars. Fantastic stuff. So now we're going to jump over to some real estate. So real estate has been up. People are paying, 20 or 30% more on these houses, and it's been going on for over a year. Well, what do you think about virtual real estate? Digital real estate? Selling for $1 million, $2 million, $4 million? Come on, really? I mean, if there's NFTs selling for rocks, pet rocks for $1 million or whatever, 1.4 million, there's got to be real estate and complete malls and stuff, right? Well, let's go ahead and figure out what's going on with some virtual real estate. Right over here, a piece of virtual land that raised $4.3 million in the Sandbox is the most expensive real estate. It says right here, Republic Realm bought a land in the Sandbox metaverse for a record $4.3 million, the Wall Street Journal reported. The virtual land developer bought the metaverse property for a video game company, Atari. Okay, so here we go. Atari is buying virtual pieces of real estate for $4.3 million. The virtual land piece hits another milestone on Tuesday with the company buying real estate in the Sandbox metaverse for a record $4.3 million. It says the new record broke last week's record, where Token.com bought a piece of real estate for $2.4 million. So am I getting this right? There's people buying real estate for $2 million and $4 million digitally. I mean, Atari all kinds of crazy stuff going on. But I guess it's not crazy. It's the new world. Digital currency, cryptocurrency, NFTs, and now we can get. I think I want something in the Bahamas digitally with a little dolphin. I don't know. You tell me. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. What would you do? How much would you pay for your digital art, for your digital real estate? I don't know. Hey, let's go ahead and shoot over. So here we go. Bitcoin Magazine. NFL star Odell Beckham Jr. to take full salary in Bitcoin. The wide receiver will take his new salary 100% in Bitcoin, joining all kinds of NFL players paid in Bitcoin. Well, it says right here, the Los Angeles Rams wide receiver Odell Beckham will take his whole new salary 100% in Bitcoin. The player he got traded from the Browns and went to the Rams earlier this month. The receiver could make up to $4.5 million in Bitcoin in his one-year contract with the Rams. So now we got players taking salaries in Bitcoin. Odell Beckham. Here's another thing. He's going to give out $1 million in cryptocurrency, basically on using the Twitter. So when he responds to Twitter, he's going to start using the Twitter to actually give out Bitcoin. So he's also, besides getting paid in Bitcoin, he's going to give out $1 million in Bitcoin. So with that, let's go ahead and head back over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is basically 10% up. There's 5 zeros and it's 1660 right here. What is my price prediction? I still think we're going to crush one of these zeros. One of the zeros, I think by the end of the first quarter of next year is going to be gone. So there'll be 4 zeros instead of 5 zeros. Remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. But new listings on LAToken, that's pretty big. All kinds of good stuff. Going to Mars, passing through the moon, setting up the intergalactic currency. I mean, all kinds of good things with Dogelon. So we're going to definitely see some zeros being gone here. Again, that's my opinion. All the information is for educational purposes only. All right, just kind of going to go over the top 10, top 20 here. So Ethereum is up 11% in the last 7 days. Cardano's down about 6% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin's down about 3% in the last 7 days. Now Shiba Inu, there's a 16% uptick in the last 7 days. So Shiba's on an uptick. It was high as 20%, about 16% right now. Take a look at Luna. Luna's up 38% in the last 7 days. Now crypto.com dropped 18% in the last 7 days. Matic's up 11% in the last 7 days. And we're going to stop right here at Cosmos at number 37. Is down 10% in the last 7 days. So with that, all kinds of good stuff. We've got NFL football players taking salaries and Bitcoin, giving away Bitcoin from Twitter things, all kinds of good stuff. Tom Brady, we learned a couple days ago, he's giving away fans Bitcoins for catching the 600 touchdown pass. You got Dogelon Mars with a whole complete website. Dogelon Mars with a completely new listing. Fantastic stuff right there. And then again, real estate is not only up in the real world, but in the virtual world, we got digital real estate, 2 million, 4 million, all kinds of crazy stuff going on. I mean, crazy good, of course. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we're bringing you a bonus video around 7, Monday through Fridays. Share this with your friends. We're helping everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Hey, everybody, on Wednesday, have a fantastic day.